Hey, Windows enthusiasts! Today, we're tackling a common issue that can slow down your PC, the clutter of cache and junk files. Stick around as we show you how to clear it all out and give your computer a speed boost. Built-in Disk Cleanup Tool. For both Windows 11 and Windows 10, there's a built-in tool called Disk Cleanup that can help. To find it, simply type Disk Cleanup in the search bar and open the app. Running Disk Cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean, usually your C drive, and click OK. The tool will then calculate how much space you can free up. Check all the boxes, click OK, and then delete files to confirm. Easy, right? Clearing temporary files. But we're not stopping there. Another goldmine for junk files is the Temporary Files section. Head back to Settings, click on System, then Storage, and finally, Temporary Files. Select the types of files you want to delete and click Remove Files, clearing browser cache. Now, let's not forget about our browsers. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, each browser has its own cache. Go to your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear that cache. It's like giving your browser a fresh start. Using third-party tools, optional. For those who want to take it a step further, there are third-party tools like CCleaner that can do a more thorough job. Download, install, and follow the prompts to clear out additional junk from your system. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. Your PC will thank you for it with a speed boost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Until next time, keep your systems clean and speedy.